Welcome back to another video, guys. Another live session towards the. Okay, might hear a repeated voice. Was just testing if the stream is working fine. So, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And we are working toward the OSCP exam. So, this is stuff that I have gathered from internet to assess the knowledge so we can jump toward OSCP. Yeah, it's all the efforts that we put. It's not always something we can get in one go. So let's get started with this, and we'll see where we can reach. And if you are here, do drop a hi message in the chat so I know someone is at least watching. Okay, so let's fire the machine. And let's see the machine info, how much time it took. Okay, so no girl love me. Brother took 17 minutes to get the user. 1 hour, 21 minutes and 18 seconds to get the root. We won't take any other spoiler, so let's start. If it is this long for the easy box, I believe we might be using the write-up in between somewhere. So yes, let's get started. We already connected with the VPN. Close this. Let's do cd machine frolic. Okay, we don't have mkdir. Copy paste, enter. Now if we do cd, we are there. What's next? Hello sir, welcome back to another video. How are you doing? I used to do, let me show you something related to hack the box. I believe it, yeah, it's logged in. Yeah, I used to do, if you see, I'm still on 11th level. I have grind so much in past, but nowadays, cause I don't have the subscription, I can't buy it for now. But in future, if I get something, I'll definitely be doing the hack the box, or try hack me too. And it is actually pretty costly for the month. If we go here, yep, it is damn costly, man. But yeah, when I'll have enough, I'll definitely buy it and we'll start working on this too. Then I'll probably start doing now I'm doing the 2-hour kind of stream. Then we might be able to be doing 4-hour kind of stream. But yeah, in future there'll be. Currently I don't have subscription, so I'm not poking here. But yeah, I'm actually also interested in this new stuff. If we check on the learning, and I was around 2k. It was around 2k during Black Friday sale. I see. But yeah, still it is expensive, man. Okay, so the favorite stuff that I found over here is this web application penetration testing and red teaming. So when I performed it, I was like, it was almost done, or like I have already done everything that was previously there. So now they have built some new paths. So I want to try this security engineering, DevSecOps, attacking and defending AWS. That's add-on. So yeah, there is like pretty good stuff, pretty good new stuff. And the other reason was, okay, they advert the server 24 event going on as well. Yeah, I saw that too. It was here somewhere, or where the hell is it? The event. Let's go back. If it shows this one, right? I know about this too. We can give a shot here, but like this is something time taking, and it gonna like divert us from our goal. My current goal is to grab enough knowledge. Like I'm already doing stuff, but I want specifically like work toward the OSCP and the relevant certification there. So I'm not like jumping around with this stuff. But yeah, in future I'll definitely perform this as well. Maybe not now, but yeah, in future, definitely. Okay, so let's get started. We have the IP. Let's paste it here. Machine IP. Not a machine URL. Machine IP address. And this is the machine URL. This is going to be in live. Created today. Exploit and some nothing is there. Let's copy this and add it into our tool, and we are adding new host, right? So let's add the new host. First option, paste the IP address and frolic HTTP, enter, and we can keep it the way it is. Oh yeah, Control Shift T. Let's run the nmap scan on this, and we'll see if it is worth what it's saying. There we go. Collie. Okay, so we have SMB open too. Not sure if it will be like totally SMB kind of stuff, but it might be fun. What note-taking app are you using? Oh, so it's an Obsidian. Obsidian. It is Obsidian. Here you can see Obsidian v1.7.7. Let me drop this in the chat. Obsidian, although they are not paying me for this, but whatever. Here, I found it pretty good. I'm also thinking to buy its publish subscription. I use Obsidian too. It's a different template that you're using. The template like this one, like how I'm keeping my box note, or like the whole in theme you're talking about. If you're talking about the theme, It is a newly published theme, Hack the Box one, which is developed by one of the community member of Hack the Box over Discord. His name is Golam, and over GitHub it should be. I have raised some issues here. Okay, don't do this. Don't put the lag here. Let's see. Yes, it's a different theme. So this is the one over here, and if we open this, I'm not sure if it'll open. Yeah, there we go. So this is the new theme brother has developed and integrated with the Obsidian. Okay, so we got the output here. Please report any incorrect results. Loric. Okay, we have account, user level authentication, account used just port 22. Do we have? Let's copy this, paste it here, remove the garbage, host script. Okay, we pasted wrong place. Okay, sorry, my bad. Cut, paste. Let's take the whole pretty stuff from here and enter. So let's see what we have here. So we have Node.js running, we have Nginx running, with not much, and it seems to be pretty old Nginx. We have SMB running. Okay, let's start with this. We'll add this up here because we have already added the host and it didn't define any new host that needed to be added there. So we can close the script and close this too and clear this out. Okay, so let's start. We have SMB open. SMB open. Let's try access that. Using tool, which one was it? I think it was a SMB client. Okay, it's not separately here. I'll do this SMB client. Client. Using this we can perform like variety of stuff on the SMB. So let's SMB client -l. This will list out like all the accessible endpoints for us. Endpoint means like if there is any shared directory or some sort of share what we say disk within the network which is running over SMB, we will be able to see that. So let's paste it here, enter, and we have a guest user, so we don't need to enter any sort of password. Okay, let's see. There was something related to our name resolve. Nope, not this one. Leak full report. No, this tool. There was SMB, another tool. SMB client, SMB get, SMB info, SMB map. Okay, so we'll give it a host, which is this. And what else we need to provide? This can be a work group. This, I believe. Let's see. Detected one SMB host, and it closed the connection. I think we need to skip the login. How are we gonna do that? Quit verbose? Nope. Command X. We are not executing any sort of command. No pass. Use caribers. Host user password prompt for password, but we want to skip on the password, right? Remove the banner. -u, it was a shit. -u, it was a UEST. Guest, enter. -p, enter. It is empty, enter. Damn it. TLDR SMB map, enter. Let's see. Prompt for password. I think -prompt should do. Display SMB share and list a single level of directory and files. We're not doing any sort of in-depth stuff. So let's paste it here and remove this, enter. Enter. It doesn't need any sort of password. Okay, that's garbage. So let's SMB client this. Nope. This. Okay. It seems we have nothing in the SMB. Let's move to the there was a web pages, right? Let's move to the web pages and try see if we can assess something there. First we'll check. Let's see what port we're gonna check first. Let's check the Nginx and see if that gives something. Port this over Nginx. I hope the spelling is right. nginx and see if this give anything worth. And okay, let's clear everything. With that, let's also try the nuclei. But first, let's go here. Frolic. It's gonna be http:// okay, frolic dot htb. The port number is 4 times 9. Enter. Okay, we got the nginx stuff. Thank you for using nginx, and it's giving us another port, and it is not accessible. Must be like we'll be able to access it after some time, maybe like after getting the RC we might have to perform like what does we say tunneling. So we have to perform tunneling on this to access this port. So let's see if this works. Okay, let me pull my pad and I'll start writing there. So we can keep up with the stuff that we are doing. Damn dust. Let's start writing here. Okay, I think this is the best place. And where is my pen? This one will do. Let's clean this. Cause when we create notes, we do check like what we have written, but sometimes it get like messier when you try to refer back the information that you wanted to look at later, but it is there in front of you, so it skips mine sometimes. So I'm gonna write it on the screenshot as well as on the notebook that I'm like holding right now. So there is a check other port 1880 in and maybe it's nginx dot htb kind of thing. Okay, so we have this. Let's highlight it and okay, let's hold the arrow and text something to check later, I guess. Not sure though. So here we have found another port which might be accessible after I think after getting the root access. No, not a root access, but the user access. Okay, let's check if there is any other endpoint available with the info. Using tool puff, and we have it down here, so we'll provide it this, and over here we will just keep it like this. Other than that, it's not a Windows system. I'm not sure if there will be back. It could be there. JSON, not sure, but can be. CSS, SWF, jar, HTA, PSM1, PS1, BAT, VBS, COM, EXE, .exe, .dll, nope, CGI, I don't think, GSP. Okay, I think this much extensions are enough. Let's copy this, and oh, I totally forgot about this. Let's give it a shot too. There we go. So we'll wait until we get the result, and some other collaborative info using nuclei. And let's see if this can give us something. This kind of thing actually take time, and a pretty good time. I think I'll write it somewhere else. It's not gonna work because notebook is like pretty damn big. Run FUF. Yeah, I'll run FUF, but before that I'm trying to grab the more information. So like if there's anything missing that related to the I always say the technology. For example, if you go here and you see that in the tech it is showing that it's using Nginx and Ubuntu, but Nginx version itself is pretty old, right? So this can give us like a bit of a highlight related to technology, and if there's something else that needed to be looked into, we will be seeing it right here. Although it won't be like suggesting the exploits right away. Because there are more than 1,000 templates here, and it's gonna, yeah, I can do that side by side, but it put toll on these kind of scans. But if you say so, let's go. Why not? Enter. And see, this shit started going crazy. Okay, let's -t, we're gonna -f size as 178. Yes, we're filtering 178. We'll be filtering more. Unwanted addition. Another one. Okay, we got the admin, we got the backup. Okay, nice stuff. We got dev, which is now added into the recursion. I think nucleus scan is finished and we didn't got anything extra. There we go. So let's clear this. We can collapse this. Now let's wait if it's take any time that it shouldn't be taking. Okay, we got the test too. So for those who are new, we are using this FUF command, which is another tool for the directory brute force. And this is the flag -w, where we will be defining the word list. -ic, it ignores the comment within the word list, because if you see some word list, it contains comments, and when we don't put -ic, the tool start taking them as an endpoint input. So this saves from that. -u, it's gonna ask for the URL, and do remember that in the end, wherever you want to perform the fuzz, just put fuzz and it's gonna fuzz on that. I'm not sure if we can put multiple, but yes. One is required. And -e is for extensions, what sort of extension you want to perform on the scan. So this will be put it in the end of the file. If there is any name that matches like test.txt, it's gonna fetch that, because this contains the txt here. And -r is for the recursion. As you can see, it is performing the recursion, and already now it has found the test, and it has added the test as a like another job for itself. Over here we have total of 6 jobs out of 3 has been performed. And this -t is for the threads, how many different threads you're gonna perform. And this one -or is for the file output. If it's empty, it's not gonna create the output file. And I saw your message. Notice in the Nginx screenshot, the frolic is spelled wrong at the end. Maybe it's not a typo. FORLIC. Yes. Good catch. Thanks for using let's see if we can find something like out here itself. I don't think we need to pursue further for this, but yeah, that's a good catch. We can look into that too. Okay, let's keep adding the job. We have password.txt, we have user.txt, index.php. Okay, what else? It still keep adding the stuff. Now it went to the 9th job. I hope it's not a rabbit hole, cause if it is, I'm gonna snap. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Shit, it's still going. How are you guys doing though? How was your day? By the time it finished the scan, let's have some chit chat. What is going in the life? For me, I don't know. Just preparing for the OSCP. Do you guys play any sort of games? Oh yeah, let's update this. But sadly, this didn't give anything. Let's hope of can give us something. Fingers crossed. There we go. We have to filter like so much here to get like right information that we are looking for. I'm just thinking like if that's how much time single tool is gonna take. I have heard that OSCP exam is like pretty damn big. So how are we gonna finish that? Cause it's the network issue or something? Or they're gonna provide us like the right directory or maybe the word lists which actually help us get through the traffic really fast. I don't know. I haven't performed any yet, so can't comment on this. But yes, when I'll give my exam, I'll definitely throw my feedback here. Shit. Two more extended. This gonna make me snap. I think I should have filtered this out cause I can see the size is same for all of these, and no, this one is different cause it is pinged index.php, so yes. But this one is also different. What the hell is going on? The only good stuff that I have found is admin, backup, dev, test. That's it. Index, password, user.txt. Just finish this shitty job, man. So, like, Samwise, do you work on Hack the Box? Sorry, Try Hack Me more or the Hack the Box? Actually, I used to perform like there too, but had a bit of a cheeky fight with some kiddos on Discord server of there. And who summoned me? Guess. Moderator summoned me. And after getting summoned, brother asked me what I'm doing there. And when I gave the answer that there are some kids who can't even like understand the funny humor, and they reported me, so I told them that please ban me from here, cause I can't bear these kids, those who don't even understand the like funny humor, what the humor is on the first place. So there's the story why I parted away from Try Hack Me on the first place. But now they're spitting some good stuff there, so I might give a shot. Okay, we are almost there. It's almost about to finish. This number is actually pretty crazy, going 2000 requests per second. Okay, we have the result. Let's copy this and filter this out. Okay, there we go. Paste it here. Remove. Let's see what we can remove from here. We don't need this. And job added. We don't need this. We don't need this. Job added. Remove this. And full sort backup. Test. Remove all of this. Starting queue. Testing this. Backup. Okay, it's under dev dot something, right? Did I like messed up somewhere? I guess. Okay, we just need to remove the added one, right? So we'll remove this and added a new job. This one. Added new job for test. Till test. Started working on new queue, so we will eliminate all of these. And here it started on next queue, which is bar empty. Backup. Cleared this. And add a new job to the queue, which is dot backup. This can be useful, but not sure for how long. Dev dot. Why it's always finding like stuff on after the dot? That's weird. Okay, added a new job. We can remove one of these. Guess this one. And remove this. Started a queue. Added job to the queue. Okay. Started new queue. It's an empty. Added. Man, there is a command to like print the full output, right? Let's check. What command is it? Grab full. Print full URL and redirection location if any with the results. Verbose output. Let's see if this works as expected. That would be pretty helpful. And this is the one. Yes, nice. We are looking for the verbose. $200. Let's go for the 2000. How will it affect? I want to see the first few stuff. After that, we can check separately. Okay, nice. So what are we gonna do if we're gonna create a regex. If the status is 200, it's gonna list out that separately. If the status is 300, it's gonna list that out separately. What if I use Ferox Buster here with the 1000 threads and with the endpoint this, enter. I hope this will give us more cleaner output. Now another question which came into my mind when we will give the test, like which tool does people think is better to use at that time? Will it be the FUF, Ferox Buster, or the dir search? I hope it's like pretty to the point question, right? Because I have seen some like sheets where people are using some are using the Ferox Buster, some are using like dir search, and some the FUF. Okay, we got another one. The loop. Do we have it here? The loop. Okay, we don't. And it is redirecting loop to the loop. And loop is gonna keep looping. I preferred, or I like this output much better than this one. Don't know why though, but I guess this one will be more reliable. While it is performing this, let's check what we have got so far. Let's check the already obtained info. we have /admin. Let's check the first endpoint, which is /admin. And it says, come on, I'm hackable. Don't be a dummy. Let's capture the... Okay, don't do this to me, man. And there we go. Okay, it's working, I believe. It didn't break anything, right? And it's an login page. Let's try other endpoint. And see if those contain something. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so let's see what other endpoint we have. We have the user.txt, which is under backup. Okay, we'll keep it here. Copy this, paste it here, and visit backup. Password.txt, user.txt, and loop. It seems it has listed some directories. Okay, on /backup, it has listed some directories. Let's visit them and see if they contain anything useful. Oof. The first one is going to be password.txt. Okay, let's see. We can create a table. File it contain. So it says the password is this, password.txt. Next one is user.txt. Enter. And it says the user is admin. And the other is loop. And with the loop, there was double loop, right? Yes. Above is the creds we have got from the endpoints over slash backup. Let's try using them for login on admin page. We can try and give a shot with that. And if we go here, username admin, and password is I'm not human. Password is I'm not human here. Let's copy, paste, and click on login. And it seems to be wrong address, which is and with limited attempt login page. Okay, so like we have checked this. Let's also check what other endpoint we have. Dang it. So we can't use this credential, which we have got from the backup endpoint. That's a baka move. We can remove all of these, and till this along with this. Seems dev also have some fun stuff. Let's check dev. It says forbidden. Let's check backup. Okay, we have something good. play SMS. What is it? Nothing. Let's check the test. But it says the 200. Whoa. Remove this along with this. Okay, so let's see what else we have. Backup, test, we already tested, dev admin, test. Let's start with the test then. Test and remove everything else. Enter. Okay, we got some good stuff here. And for this, let's perform the reset, fit in the file size, and there we go. Shit. Let's try another endpoint like /test. And it's giving us info related to the PHP running over the system. Let's see what this holds for us, like any sort of username or something. FPM for CGI. Okay, allow URL open, allow URL include, which is off, auto global jet. Anything funny here? File info, which is enable, but where is the file? What else we have? We have the sporting hash MD2 to tell Hevel 256. Okay, we have SQLi. What is this? Library version. What the hell is this? It seems to be MD5, but it is not, I believe. Let's paste, check, and it is giving some gibberish stuff. Okay. Anything good? It's not gonna open anything. Okay, we have the same string here. Everything seems to be empty. Open SSL. Let's see if this can help us in any way. Okay, almost. The scan is almost finished. Let's wait for a few seconds or maybe minute or maybe 1 minute. It should be dealt with pretty fast. And there we go. Finished scan. Loop is redirecting nowhere. Dev backup doesn't make any sense. Admin JS. This might give us something. Test also doesn't make any sense. Dev backup. Yeah, but it's not working, right? Play SMS. Not working. This one is also not working. Is there any sort of file? CLI value? We can't add it here. Socket. We got the machine username. It's a PHP environment variables. Remote address. The port. The server port. Document directory. Yo. I'm feeling sleepy again. The authors. License. Nothing worth. Let's go back to the admin. What does its source code says? Include this, and it says, come on, I'm hacker, man. Let's check this, because I don't see this one over here, anywhere in this list, right? Does JS contain any sort of login? No. But we have JS in the extension, right? Yes, we have it, but it didn't pick it up. Let's see. Fuck. I was looking like everywhere and it's sitting idly over here, right? So the username is equal to admin. Like, this is the shittiest logic someone ever built for its website. We have var attempt is equal to 3, var username, the element and the value, or like the value, and they have like specified if that is equal to that, give the success, so you can suck the success. Nothing worth, but after looking around, on /admin page, I went into the inspect mode. No, it's a view source, view page source, to the view page, source, to check the HTML code, and there I found this. Another endpoint. Where is it? New endpoint in script tag. Oof. And visited it. After visiting, we found this dumb code file, dumb written code there. SSH. It's not SSH, it's JS. which contain username and password. Let's add another table. Username, password. For the endpoint, this username is gonna be admin, password is this, let's log in then. And it says the login successful. The lovely prompt. And right after entering, we got some gibberish stuff. What the hell is this now? Let's try curl it. If this make any sense there. Curl, paste, enter. Yo, we can, what the hell? We can actually directly access this. It is the same stuff, right? If I still perform it. What the hell? This doesn't have any sort of authorization or authentication. We can actually directly access it without any username and password, and it wasted our that much time just for this shit. And another shocking stuff is you can access this endpoint directly without giving any password. And even in curl, it doesn't make any sense. Let's paste it in the I think Cyberchef tool and see what does it give. Okay, let's copy this curl output, message, paste, and we're gonna provide it to the cyber chef. Delete this. Oh, okay, it's not liking it. Like this. Let's see if it like it this way. No. There we go. This doesn't make any sense anywhere. Anyone in the chat has any idea like what the hell is this? Though this exclamation stuff do remind me the one language, and that's the brain fuck. Let's see if this has. Brain fuck editor. Okay, okay, okay. I think we found something. Okay, it's just. Is this some sort of config hosting file? Sorry, man, I don't want to do this, but it seems unintentionally we hit something that we shouldn't be. Okay, it's a repository. You might be able to access its repository, so let's just remove it. I don't want to mess any further. Okay, let's see. It'll paste it here. This whole stuff. Now that it's there, let's try run it. What is this? Port from the server? Nope. Link to this code. Pick one. Final dump. Hexadecimal. What the hell is this? Yeah, see? It is. It seems kind of similar. But it is not this language over here. Let's just paste it in the Google with some less stuff. Enter. And what does it say is intro bang. Let's see. Just copy this much. Language. Programming language. Nope. Languages, programming, similar to brainfuck. Uh, let's see. Es, eso, esoteric, I guess. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so we have found something. Let's go here and check this. What does it say? Programming language where we can use this. Not in Python. Pretty sure this has to be some sort of language. They are right. Cause this is like a whole mess. Okay. Decoder.